Ciao everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my home. I want to wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day. And I thank God that I'm able to say I have my beautiful parents here for Valentine's Day lunch. And for dessert, I'm going to prepare a lovely chocolate cake with a caramel sauce that my husband and I had in Bordeaux, France. Delicious, really simple to prepare. Now let's get started. You're going to need a bain-marie for this. If you don't have one like this, you can just use boiled water with a pot and a glass heat-proof top. You're going to need 4 ounces of bittersweet chocolate, the best quality you have. 2/3 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature. I love espresso. Espresso and chocolate go fantastic together. 1 tablespoon of fresh coffee. A teaspoon of vanilla bean extract. I'm just going to eyeball it. Just going to let everything melt together. While our chocolate is melting, we're going to prepare the other part of our cake recipe. We'll need 4 large eggs and a generous pinch of kosher salt. Whisk the eggs together. You want to whisk until you reach pale yellow. Egg mixture, I'm going to add 2/3 cup of granulated sugar. Now we're ready for 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Just going to mix everything together until well combined. I'm checking on the chocolate and butter mixture. It's melting beautifully, but it's not ready yet. The cocoa is ready. It's still very warm, so I'm just going to temper the eggs with the hot cocoa before I add it all. You don't want scrambled eggs. I'm using 6-ounce ramekins. I buttered and sprinkled with cocoa butter because it is a chocolate cake. You don't want flour on it. Parchment paper along the bottom just to help remove the cakes. Again, butter and cocoa powder. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This batter made 5 6-ounce ramekin cakes. Filled them 3/4 of the way. I'm going to place 4 of these in the refrigerator until my parents are ready for dessert. This particular cake will stay beautifully in the refrigerator for 24 hours until you're ready for it. But my sweetheart and I cannot wait till my parents get here, and I want to show you what they look like. So I'm going to bake off one for 12 minutes. While my chocolate cake is baking, we're going to start with the caramel sauce. Heat your saucepan over medium heat. 2/3 cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of purified water. To let the sugar melt and brown ever so slightly. The sugar and the water is boiling beautifully. We're just going to let it keep boiling until it's a brown color. This is the golden syrupy color you want. Turn your stove down to medium heat, and now we're going to add 1/2 cup of butter. We're going to let the butter melt. And 1/2 cup of cream. We're just going to keep stirring and bring it to a boil, and then our caramel sauce will be ready. My caramel is boiling. I'm going to leave it alone for 3 minutes. My caramel sauce is ready. I'm just going to loosen up these chocolate cakes with my little offset spatula. It should come right out. There we are. I'm going to remove the parchment paper, and we're ready to serve. My chocolate cake from Bordeaux, France is ready. Look how gorgeous. Now we're going to add the caramel sauce. Beautiful. Just a little bit of icing sugar. Look how beautiful that looks. Now tell me that that does not say I love you on Valentine's Day. How beautiful is that? Okay, I'm going to taste it for you, but you have to see this. Watch this. Oh, Look how beautiful, all that molten chocolate coming out. Oh my goodness, how beautiful. My parents are going to love this. Also my sweetheart, he's a chocoholic. Mm. Delicious. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Katerina from My Home to Yours. I would like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day. Stay tuned. Let's see what my parents think about this dessert. Mamma Bella, che è la più bella del mondo, by George Clooney lookalike, featuring a special cake, chocolate cake with caramel sauce from Bordeaux, France. Tell me what you think.
I think it is
Delicious. Ma, prova. How is it, Pa?
It's beautiful.
Beautiful. And you have cafe corretto?
Red with cognac.
Yes. How is the cake, Ma, with the caramel sauce? Delicious. You like it, Mama?
Yeah.
Do you want cafe corretto with cognac?
Yeah.
Yes? Oh, Pa, metticelo cognac. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.